Welcome to part 14 of this 17-part series called 17 Steps to a Better LinkedIn Profile. In this segment, we are going to talk about why you should add comments. Sharing is great, but it's just a starting point. When you add comments to your shares, you give yourself greater prominence within the feed and start to express why you think a particular piece of content matters. Well-expressed comments also enable you to share a broader range of content. It might be that you don't agree with a point of view, but you still find it interesting. For example, a comment that can express that viewpoint starts to establish your opinion and thought leadership. It's also more likely to draw additional comments, which then raises your profile across LinkedIn. Bear this in mind when you're writing your comment and make sure you're saying something you're happy for people to associate with you. If you'd like to connect with me directly or explore ways that we can work together, how we can refer each other, please join my LinkedIn profile today.